Hey, in this episode, we're going to talk about how to remove windshields from classic cars, show you some of the tools that we're going to be using, and some of the different types of windshields. So when it comes to removing glass from older cars, there's a couple of different options that I usually run into. One of them is going to be your late model, what I call a late model car, which is going to be your 60s and 70s, 80s muscle cars. These windshields are glued in with a urethane sealant. To get to that, you're going to have to remove the trim with the little clips that are behind it. And I'm not going to remove the trim on the Chevelle, but this is a trim tool. It'll actually go in there and hook the clips and remove the trim. That's not what this video is really about. This video is about how to remove the glass. Well, I guess that is part of the glass. This is a urethane cutter. This is a very sharp blade that has a pull handle on it. So once this is slid under the rubber, which is underneath that chrome trim, grab it hard with this hand and pull, and you're cutting that urethane rubber out. That's got that windshield glued in. Most of the time it's called window weld. And that stuff gets on your hands and it stays on there until it wears off. So here's a close-up of the tool. And this one's is broke. This blade is not broke. So make sure you keep a few extra blades in stock if you do a lot of these, because they will break. I'll put a link in the description where you can buy one of these. They're actually handy. Also for this, all the tools that we use today will be in the description. Put all of our stuff back in our glass. These are install tools and uninstall tools. We've put glass in before. We're taking it out today. So what we're using today is this simple utility knives. You don't want to put too much pressure on this and let this thing slip off of what you're working on and give yourself a nasty cut. So always keep a sharp blade in. Front and rear windshields, like in this 55 Chevy pickup truck right here, are all held in by a rubber gasket. When you're removing a windshield, if the windshield is in good shape, do not try to pull that windshield out of that rubber gasket. You're going to break the windshield, and it costs a whole lot more than the rubber does. You want to take the utility knife and run it down in the rubber between the body and the windshield. Now, if the body is slick painted like this truck, you want to stick more towards the windshield side. You don't want to dig down in here, remove any paint, and cause rust issues later. You also come around to the inside and try to do the same thing. Front and rear gaskets come off the same way. The 61 Impala right here is held on with a gasket as well. Now, of course, on the 32, you've got a window channel. The window slides down in that channel, and you've got what they call window welting that's all the way around the window that slides down in. It makes a groove. You hammer the glass down in there, and then you come back and trim both sides. To get this glass out, you basically just maybe squirt you some WD-40 down in there and start working it out straight, and then the new glass goes back down in there. But you don't want to have any kind of lubricant in this window welt when you're putting it back in. the friction between that and the glass and the chrome or stainless is what holds this thing in. Videos about taking it out. Let's go get one out. Now, you know, this is one of the channel projects that we're building. A 1970 Volkswagen that we're backdating. We are way deep into it already. So let's get this windshield out and let's, get started. All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove your front windshield from your classic Volkswagen or just about any other classic car in just a matter of minutes, safely, just in case you wanted to save that glass to reuse. Chances are it's cracked and you're going to need another one, or it's delaminated. So do yourself a favor when you go to put one back in. If yours is questionable, go ahead and put in a new one. Let's get busy. Go around the outside, go around the inside. Make sure you cut all the way through the rubber, because all you're doing is cutting the lip off of the rubber. There'll still be rubber around the glass when you're done. Once you get it all in, pull that rubber off, and then if you did everything right, it should slide right out. Hey, if you don't mind, stick around to the end. There's going to be some highlights from the Midwest Roadster Run that got edited out of the main video. You're not going on to miss what you already missed once. All right, so I hope you got something out of that video. Short, simple, and sweet. How to remove the windshield from your classic Volkswagen or just about any other classic car. As always, thanks for watching. Now get out in the garage and go build something. Hey, don't forget to check out all the other videos on this Volkswagen bug, other Volkswagen bugs, and dozens of other hot rod projects at Spanky's Hot Rods and Customs YouTube channel. Like, tag, share, subscribe, tell your friends. It's all fun around here. Simple tricks and tips for the DIY guy. Now get out in the garage and go build something. See you in the next episode. Spanky's gone.
Sun coming up somewhere in Illinois. Coffee in a paper cup making a little noise. The 3 old roadsters lined up at the light, headed nowhere special, but it'll take all night. The same old faces from 30 years ago, a little more gray underneath the hat brim showing. Somebody's telling stories we've all heard before, still laughing just as hard as we did back then. It's another